Hello friends, today we will discuss about second trimester exercises. First exercise is clamshell exercise. For clamshell exercise, you have to lie down in sideline position. Then you have to bend your knees and then open your legs apart. Hold for 10 seconds and then relax. Same you have to repeat on the other side. Exercise is cat and camel exercise. For cat and camel exercise, we have to lie down in quadruped position and then you have to lift your back upward and downward like this. Downward, hold for 10 seconds, relax and take it upward. Hold for 10 seconds and then relaxed. Third exercise is low back stretch. For low back stretch, you have to sit on your heels and you have to keep your knees apart from each other, and then you have to take your arms forward. Hold that stretch for 10 seconds and then relax. Don't lift your hips from the buttocks. Next, fourth exercise is wall squat. For wall squat, you have to stand with wide base of support and your back should be supported by a wall, and then you have to go downward and then relaxed, come back to the normal position. Next, fifth exercise is calf stretching. For calf stretching, you have to stand with one leg forward and one leg backward with wall supported. Bend your forward knee and then you will feel the stretch on the backward leg. Hold that stretch for 10 seconds and then relaxed.